What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos.
What's up YouTube? This is Vijay Ansura back with another video, back with a bang. And as everyone know, I met with an accident. I'm still recovering. It may take me one more month, but within that month I'm doing loads and loads of shopping. And see my hand here, it has recovered so far good. So a lot of physiotherapy is required, but yes, so it's not my hand which I'm gonna talk about today. So I've done a lot of shopping. I have a lot of products to review now. One of the very interesting product is right in front of you here. So this is called as a Kroozer patch. As you can see, this is a more of a safety accessory for the riders. And without further ado, let me do a very quick unboxing video of Kroozer patch. This will be more of unboxing because I currently don't have the bike. Once the bike is fully done, I would be installing this and reviewing this as well, including the instructions on how to install. So without further ado, let me open up the box and show you what we get inside the Kroozer patch. Ta-da! I'm gonna talk about all the features, but yeah, the moment you open up, there is a thank you letter from Kroozer family. So Kroozer Shield, you can go to their Facebook, Insta or Twitter, put in hashtag Kroozer Shield and you would get to know more about this. So this is a thank you letter. Let me move this aside and show you what the product looks like. Ta-da! So this is the Kroozer patch. So let me see. First of all, I'll keep this aside. So we get one Kroozer patch. Okay, baby, you go aside. Come on. Okay, we get I think this is the adapter, the wireless adapter, which will go onto your motorcycle. And you get a Kroozer patch guidebook which shows you how to install, how to use the pin connectors. This is a very good feature, so you don't have to slice the cables. I'll talk more about it. You have the wiring details, you have the technical specs, and it also has the warranty card along with the details. So let me put this aside for some time and show you what else we have. We have, I think these are the mount points. Okay, let me show you further into this. So let me put everything back in the box. And this is a very interesting product. Do you remember on my helmet I had a indicator, brake light indicator? It works on similar technology, but this is way much more better than what I had. Okay, so I have used this kind of a technology. That is why I would be able to tell you what are the flaws, what are the benefits, and how it works like. And honestly, quite honestly, after talking to the owner and understanding what this product is, it's way much better. So let me first switch on. I think these are the red and orange. So you got 6 red, 3 orange. Let us switch it on and see how it looks in the broad daylight. Wow, okay, the LEDs are bright. Oh, that's bright. That's nice. Let me switch off, switch on. Okay, wow. I think this would be probably in some syncing mode, but it's not, the adapter is not installed. But let me tell you, first impression, this is made out of leather. The leather looks very good. Okay, and by doing all these things, trust me, I can actually exercise my hand. Okay, so this is a leather, and what you see here is the reflective tape. Okay, what you get on your jacket, so that makes it much more visible. Okay, I can see a charging point here, and I believe this is the light indicator. And what you have here, what you see the straps, is basically for your shoulder. So what you can do is you can wear this. These are elastic straps, so you can wear this on your shoulder just like a bag, or you can remove. I think, yeah, those were the mount points extra. You can unscrew these, remove, and this straps will come out, and you can put it on your bag, or if you want to put it somewhere else on a box or anywhere you can put this. So I love this. Let's see what we have. Trust me, it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon and the lights are very, very bright. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let me keep this aside. Let me quickly open up. So as you can see, we have these two mount points. I'm sure there's like a screw. Once you open it up, you can mount this inside on your bag, and this will be outside where your Kroozer patch will be put in. Now let's look at the adapter. So one thing good about this product is majority of the time people are worried about not tampering, their cables. So this comes with the anti-tampering, method. I can't say technology, but it's a method. So they have given you these prongs, okay, metal prongs, as you can see. I don't know how much it is visible, but these are the prongs. So what you basically do is these prongs will go inside the back of the connector, so you don't have to slice any wire. Okay, so let me show you. I think it should be mentioned in the, as I saw that in the manuals. So in the manuals, as you can see, it talks about how to install. It talks about how you can find out how much battery is remaining. So I guess it's 3 times. I've already read the manual, to be quite honest. So 3 times if it is blink, it blinks, that means it's 100 to 75%. And 2 times if it blinks, it means the red light blinks, it means it's like 50% or something. And 1 time if it blinks, it's like between 25 to 0 to 50. I mean, something like that. So I'm expecting this to run at least 4-5 hours, but yeah, it should last good. It has a 1000 mAh of battery, and here this is what they are showing, how to use the pin connectors. You hold the pin, as you can see here. You don't have to slice the wire. Just look at the back side of the connector and put the prong inside, so you don't have to slice anything. That's a good one. How to use it, you switch it on. This is the manual. Please read your manual, guys. Most of the times you don't read it. So this talks about the wiring, which color wire goes where, and wiring diagram, and these are what they call as studs. This is the reflective tape I was talking about, which you get on your riding gear. Charging indicator, red means charging, blue means charged. You have a USB type B charging port, which I saw, and this is the code. I think the thing is, this one of my concern was, when you buy the China product similar to what I had on the helmet, if more than 2 people are simultaneously using it, it sometimes will not work, or it will cross work. Okay, but in this, every unique product has its own code with which it connects. So if there are multiple people, it's not going to mix up. It will not get confused. So it's made up of genuine leather, 85 grams in weight, which is lightweight, good. Lithium ion battery, 1000 mAh. The backup is around 8 hours. There are total of 18 LEDs, 0.6 watts of each LED. You have that wireless adapter. So basically this will go underneath your seat. Okay, this will go underneath your seat where you have the hazard lights, hazard assembly installed, because most of the Dominars do not have hazard light inbuilt. So we normally buy that small adapter, and you can find those videos. But yeah, I will be making another installation video of this beautiful product and how it looks like in the night. I will make it soon once my bike is ready. I am recovered. So coming to the very important part, the price of this is 2500, but there is an offer now. Okay, you can get this product home delivered in 1700 rupees. That is what it costed me, 1700 including the shipping. So I got it in like 5 days. I will put the link in the description. Okay, and you can go check out the link, check out the company, check out their product, and this is the one which I like the most, and hence I bought this. So you can also get one of these for 1700 including courier shipping charges. So go ahead, ride safe, be visible in the night with the Kroozer patch. So thank you very much once again for this company as well to make something like this, which I was looking for. So this is the product which will be going on my bag. And Trica Ferros, if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check out that video, because Trica Ferros is definitely going onto my helmet again. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and please, if you like it, give a thumbs up, and pray for my hands to recover soon so that I can start riding the bike. And the installation and the review video will be coming soon for Kroozer patch. So thanks a lot for watching my video again. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.